What's going on YouTube? It's BlaineKx here. Today I'm getting the truck ready. I'm going to be tying on a jerkbait versus this frog, and then we're going to do some fishing. Stay tuned. We are here and it is raining, because why would it not be? Pond level's looking a little bit low anyways. Actually a lot of algae today, which is rare. This pond never has anything in it for the most part. Not sure how long I'll tough this one out for since it's raining, so see if we can't get out here, cast a couple, catch anything. I think my camera's waterproof. I guess we'll figure it out, won't we? I guess I'm gonna go get under this tree cover here in a minute since it's raining. Hopefully it'll pass by. Oh, bite. Okay, we'll cast back there, but right now I'm getting soaked. So I've been sitting under this tree cover trying to stay dry for probably the past 30 minutes or so. It's slowing down, but it still ain't great. Only reason I'm out here still because I really wanted to fish, but it's not looking promising right now. As you can hear, it's picking up again. So I don't know if I'm just gonna tough it out. I'm gonna try and tough it out. I looked at the radar. It doesn't look like it's gonna be stopping, so. And I'm honestly tired of just standing there. I looked it up. My mic should be waterproof, or not waterproof, but rain resistant. I know the GoPro is, but I mean, it's just sprinkling right now. It's not bad right here. See if we can't do any luck. Staying as close to the trees as I can. I'll just get absolutely soaked. Oh, bro. I can't believe I didn't lose that. I caught a whole log. The rain is starting to finally die down a little bit. So we're gonna see if we can't go over here and do anything better. What a day, man. Finally get out, go fishing, and start training the moment I get here. It was a little bit sprinkly, but I thought it wouldn't do anything else. Now this is the pond that I caught my PB in, so I know there's some decent fish out here. There's one right there swimming around. Fish on. Yes, sir. Oh boy. It's a nice little guy. Fish number one. Oh man. I wonder what happened to him. It's a nice fish. Bye, buddy. It is the perfect time right now, you know, right after the rain stops. Best time to fish after a storm. Uh-oh. Don't know if these fish are gonna be like out deep or what. It's sprinkling just enough to be annoying right now. I wish I knew how deep this pond is. You know, this is not going to plan at all. I've had a couple bites, caught one fish so far. But this rain, man, I don't know. I feel like this is a pretty good spot to cast, but... Did you see that? I know that was on camera. Oh, that was my bad. I lost sight of the lure. Oh, fish on. I was literally getting ready to call it too. I hear the rain coming. Oh, hey buddy. I feel like I've caught you before. Fish number 2. I was really getting close to calling it because it's about to pick up a storm here. It's blowing on my back, really cold wind. Thank you guys for watching the video. It did not go how I thought it would go. Started raining, of course, just my luck. So thank you for watching. Take care. Make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Thank y'all so much for the ones that are subscribed. Y'all take care and have a great night.